Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to see open snaps again on Snapchat. So you can just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play to double check if there is a new update coming on your iPhone. So go back to your screen, and then go ahead to your browser. If you want to see open snaps again, just as a Snapchat Plus, you have to subscribe to Snapchat Plus in order for this to work out, and then you can replay any snap twice right after viewing it. Tap the snap right away to see it again. So in order for this to work out, you need to have Snapchat Plus, so you can basically see the snap twice right after viewing it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.